According to a May 16th report by South Korean media outlet The Elec, shared via iJeek Phone News, Samsung is actively working on making its foldable screen devices thinner. The company plans to use titanium screen support plates in its upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 7 and its first triple folding phone. This design shift follows the introduction of titanium in the Galaxy Z Fold SE Special Edition, an ultra-thin foldable model released in 2024. In these devices, the titanium screen support plate is positioned between the folding screen and the hinge, providing structural support. The section near the hinge is etched to aid the folding mechanism. Samsung is also reportedly considering the removal of the digitizer component to further reduce thickness. Samsung Display, the main OLED panel supplier, is developing a stylus recognition technology that does not require a digitizer. The digitizer, first introduced with the Galaxy Z Fold 3 in 2021, enables stylus input and currently adds about 0.3 millimeters of thickness on each side of the fold. Eliminating it could reduce the device's thickness by up to 0.6 millimeters. For instance, the Galaxy Z Fold SE, which lacks a digitizer, measures just 10.6 millimeters when folded, 1.5 millimeters thinner than the Z Fold 6, which has a folded thickness of 12.1 millimeters. Renowned leaker Ice Universe has hinted at a major design improvement, significantly slimmer bezels on the inner display. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is rumored to feature an incredibly narrow 1mm bezel, a notable reduction from the 1.9mm bezel on the Galaxy Z Fold 6. While the difference may seem minimal, it promises a more immersive and premium viewing experience. The improvements aren't limited to the Fold 7 alone. The outer display of the Galaxy Z Flip 7 is also expected to have a sleek 1.2mm bezel. In high-end tech design, even the smallest refinements can dramatically impact user perception, potentially making the previous generation look outdated. Alongside these bezel updates, Ice Universe also shared the dimensions of the Galaxy Z Fold 7, which will reportedly measure just 158.4 millimeters by 143.1 millimeters by 3.9 millimeters when unfolded. This ultra-thin profile supports earlier rumors and positions Samsung as a strong competitor in the race for the thinnest foldable phone, challenging devices like Oppo's Find N5. As Honor's Magic V5 prepares to launch and Apple readies its first foldable iPhone for next year, Samsung seems set to make a significant splash in the market. Speculation suggests the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 could be officially unveiled at a Summer Unpacked event, possibly as soon as July, setting the stage for an exciting showdown in foldable technology. Renowned leaker Ice Universe has hinted at a major design improvement, significantly slimmer bezels on the inner display. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is rumored to feature an incredibly narrow 1mm bezel, a notable reduction from the 1.9mm bezel on the Galaxy Z Fold 6. While the difference may seem minimal, it promises a more immersive and premium viewing experience. The improvements aren't limited to the Fold 7 alone. The outer display of the Galaxy Z Flip 7 is also expected to have a sleek 1.2mm bezel. In high-end tech design, even the smallest refinements can dramatically impact user perception, potentially making the previous generation look outdated. Alongside these bezel updates, Ice Universe also shared the dimensions of the Galaxy Z Fold 7, which will reportedly measure just 158.4 millimeters by 143.1 millimeters by 3.9 millimeters when unfolded. This ultra-thin profile supports earlier rumors and positions Samsung as a strong competitor in the race for the thinnest foldable phone, challenging devices like Oppo's Find N5. As Honor's Magic V5 prepares to launch and Apple readies its first foldable iPhone for next year, Samsung seems set to make a significant splash in the market. Speculation suggests the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 could be officially unveiled at a Summer Unpacked event, possibly as soon as July, setting the stage for an exciting showdown in foldable technology. The Fold 7 unfolds to a slightly taller and wider form factor, measuring 158.4 by 143 millimeters, making room for a gorgeous 8.2-inch inner AMOLED display, a noticeable upgrade from the Fold 6's 7.6-inch panel. This means more screen space for productivity, gaming, or immersive media viewing, while still maintaining a sleek and premium profile. Under the hood, it's powered by the all-new Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, ensuring smoother performance, improved thermal management, and better battery efficiency. On the photography front, Samsung is going all out, equipping the Fold 7 with a massive 200-megapixel primary camera sensor, bringing flagship-grade photography to foldables like like never before. The software experience will also feel more fluid and intuitive thanks to One UI 8 based on Android 16. And when it comes to durability, Samsung isn't holding back. The Fold 7 is expected to feature IP68 water and dust resistance, along with a new hinge mechanism that reduces visible creasing for a cleaner, more polished look when unfolded. However, there's one trade-off. The 4,400 mAh battery remains the same as its predecessor. While competitors are shifting to high-density silicon-carbon batteries, Samsung seems to have prioritized thinness over capacity. This may raise concerns for heavy users. Still, with its sleeker form, massive camera upgrade, and powerful internals, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 could easily set a new standard for premium foldables in 2025. Samsung is gearing up to launch its next-generation foldable smartphones, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7, with the launch expected sometime in July. As always, several leaks have already given us a fair idea of what these phones might look like. But now, a new leak from reliable tipster Ice Universe has revealed the possible dimensions of the Galaxy Z Fold 7. According to Ice Universe, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 might measure 158.4 millimeters tall, 143.1 millimeters wide, and just 3.9 millimeters thick when unfolded. For comparison, the Z Fold 6 is slightly smaller at 153.5 by 132.6 by 5.6 millimeters, and the Galaxy Z Fold SE, or W25, is around 157.9 by 142.6 by 4.9 millimeters. So clearly, the Z Fold 7 is expected to be both taller and wider, while also being significantly thinner. What really stands out is the thickness, or rather, the lack of it. Ice Universe claims that the Z Fold 7 could be the thinnest foldable phone ever, with a thickness of only 3.9 millimeters when unfolded and 8.9 millimeters when folded. That's incredibly slim for a foldable device. On top of that, Ice Universe also shared that the inner bezels are expected to be extremely narrow, just 1 millimeters on the inner display and 1.2 millimeters on the outer screen, making the viewing experience even more immersive. So overall, if these leaks turn out to be true, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 could be a major step forward for foldable smartphones, thinner, larger, and more refined than ever before. Let's see what Samsung officially brings to the table this July. The Z Fold 7 is expected to be taller and wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold 6. But what truly sets it apart is its ultra-thin design and almost edge-to-edge inner display. According to trusted leaker Ice Universe, now going by IceCat, the Z Fold 7 will measure 158.4 as 143.1 times 3.9 millimeters when unfolded, making it significantly thinner than both its predecessor and the current thinnest foldable, the Oppo Find N5. Once folded, it will reportedly be just 8.9 millimeters thick, a record-breaking figure in the foldable segment. Another standout feature is the almost bezel-less display, with the inner screen's bezels shrunk to just 1 millimeters, down from the 1.9 millimeters on the Z Fold 6, offering a more immersive viewing experience. Meanwhile, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 is also expected to launch alongside the Fold 7, with reports suggesting that its cover display will have a slightly thicker 1.2 millimeter bezel to ensure better design consistency across the foldable lineup. Under the hood, the Z Fold 7 is rumored to feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite chipset, promising top-tier performance for multitasking, gaming, and productivity. On the other hand, the Z Flip 7 might be powered by Samsung's in-house Exynos 2500 processor. While none of these details have been officially confirmed, they align well with Samsung's ongoing ambition to push the boundaries of foldable tech. If the leaks prove accurate, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 could very well set a new standard for sleekness and innovation in the foldable smartphone market, further solidifying Samsung's dominance as the industry leader. Though the official specifications remain under wraps and no images have been confirmed, trusted sources suggest several major improvements. These include a thinner, more compact design, enhanced displays, a next-gen Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 or 8 Gen 3 Elite chipset, 12GB of RAM, and an upgraded camera setup featuring a rumored 200-megapixel main sensor. The device might also boast a larger 5,000 mAh battery, improved wireless charging up to 15 watts or even 25 watts, and the usual 25-watt wired charging. The design is expected to be lighter and sleeker, with the main screen possibly expanding to 8.2 inches and the outer screen to around 6.5 inches, both offering higher refresh rates. Although pricing is expected to start at $1,899, the premium features and build quality could make it a worthy investment for tech enthusiasts. While the official launch date hasn't been confirmed, a mid-2025 release with global availability is expected. Until then, Excitement continues to build as fans await more details and official announcements from Samsung. Recent leaks, including UL Demco certifications following earlier BIS listings, have provided insight into the battery capacities of these devices. For the Galaxy Z Fold 7, the batteries, model numbers EBBF 966ABE to 967ABE, have capacities of 226 mAh and 2146 mAh respectively, giving a total rated capacity of 4,272 mAh. This is nearly identical to the Z Fold 6's rated total of 4,273 mAh and suggests a marketed capacity around 4,400 mAh once again. In contrast, the Z Flip 7's batteries, model numbers EBBF766ABE and EBBF767ABE, come in at 1,189 mAh and 2,985 mAh, combining for 4,174 mAh, which is a noticeable increase over the Z Flip 6's 3,987 mAh rated total. This could mean the Flip 7 will be marketed with a 4,300 mAh typical capacity, up from 4,000 mAh in its predecessor. While actual battery life depends heavily on usage, this increase will likely benefit Z Flip fans more than Fold users, who may see minimal change. Both foldables are also expected to support 25-watt wireless charging, according to China's 3C certification, though they may still be limited to 25 watts wired charging, a step behind some of Samsung's other 45 watts capable devices. Internally, both models are expected to feature the powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy Elite chipset and at least 12 GB of RAM. With only a few months left until launch, more leaks are expected to surface soon, further revealing what Samsung has in store.